Welcome to DiskInternals. Yes, losing important data can be a real bummer. Luckily, DiskInternals is here to help. To help you recover your data, there is an amazing array of easy-to-use software solutions. No matter where your data is, it can be recovered. Whether it's on an SSD, HDD, SD card, RAID array, virtual machine, or somewhere else, it can be retrieved. Let's take a moment to check out the different options and find the perfect fit for you. Trust us, you'll be glad you did. Let's look at the simple cases first, then the more complex ones. The first set of software products by DiskInternals is targeted at recovering MS Office documents, spreadsheets, databases, and even emails. You can easily recover lost, inaccessible, corrupted, or damaged files created by MS Word, MS Excel, MS Access, MS Outlook, OpenOffice, or LibreOffice with DiskInternals Word Recovery, DiskInternals Excel Recovery, DiskInternals Access Recovery, DiskInternals Outlook Recovery, DiskInternals Office Recovery, all in one. And for the recovery of databases created in MS SQL and MySQL, there are separate products. DiskInternals MS SQL Recovery, DiskInternals MySQL Recovery. Also, for special cases, such as restoring CCTV DVR video recordings or gaining access to EFS disks, there are these DiskInternals products. DiskInternals EFS Recovery, DiskInternals DVR Recovery. For more general cases, such as recovering files from NTFS formatted drives, we have DiskInternals NTFS Recovery. Absolutely any files stored on a wide variety of file systems, NTFS, F832, exFAT, HFS+, NTFS5, XT2, 3, and 4, REFS, XFS, UFS, ZFS, APFs, ROMFs, etc., can be restored effortlessly thanks to DiskInternals Uneraser. Moreover, Uneraser has all the functionality of NTFS recovery and Office recovery, all in one. And yes, you can recover files from SSDs, HDDs, memory cards, USB sticks, digital cameras, etc. Try the most advanced file recovery tool available today. Are you dealing with a lost, inaccessible, or corrupted partition or drive? Here is the solution for you. DiskInternals Partition Recovery. Partition recovery, besides recovering partitions or drives, includes all the functionality of Uneraser. Wow, meaning NTFS recovery and Office recovery as well. Isn't that just awesome? Need to recover data from a RAID system? DiskInternals has got you covered. DiskInternals RAID Recovery. With RAID Recovery, you can rescue your files from a corrupted RAID 0, RAID 1, 0+1, 150, 1E, RAID 4, RAID 5, 50, 5E, 5R, RAID 6, RAID 60, or JBOD. More than impressive, you have to admit. And the icing on the cake is that all the DiskInternals Partition Recovery and Uneraser do is included. Unleash the full potential of data recovery with the most powerful and comprehensive solution on the market for recovery from virtual systems by VMware. DiskInternals, VMFS Recovery. Transform your data recovery experience with DiskInternals, VMFS Recovery, the ultimate all-in-one solution. Enjoy the convenience of having all the functions of RAID recovery, partition recovery, Uneraser, and all other DiskInternals recovery software products combined into one powerful package. Say goodbye to data loss and hello to effortless recovery with DiskInternals VMFS Recovery. To access any Linux-based file system, including X2, X3, X4, RiserFS, HFS+, XFS, JFS, and UFS, the most popular solutions are DiskInternals Linux Reader Free, DiskInternals Linux Reader Pro. Get non-destructive read-only remote SSH-based access, create a virtual drive, export files via FTP, access any files on a Linux system, bypass security policies, etc. Take your data recovery to the next level with the expertise of real geeks. You deserve knowing that our team of experts is here to support you every step of the way. Welcome to a new level of data protection with the software and service of DiskInternals. Visit DiskInternal.com now.